Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel, Torque News. Hope you're having a great morning. So Tesla is producing the first cars in a test run at Giga Berlin in Grünheide, but it can't sell them from what I'm reading in the media, and I don't know what Tesla may do with these test cars until it receives the final approval, which is expected now to be imminent for Giga Berlin. Elon Musk, RBB reports, would like the production, of course, to start in Tesla's new car factory Giga Berlin this year. However, everything has not yet been fully approved, and it is not clear when the decision will be made for Giga Berlin. But the test tape is already running behind the factory gates, and first cars are already being produced at Giga Berlin. The US car maker Tesla has already produced several electric cars on the test basis in its factory in Grünheide near Berlin. According to Tesla on Monday, the scope of the early approvals for individual construction steps also includes the production of a limited number of test bodies, not cars, but the bodies. They are intended for test purposes in Grünheide or in external system. The parts produced in this way are not allowed to be sold. Like I said, the official test run in the car factory has not yet started, but just the test. So 5 Model Ys already are produced in Grünheide for test purposes at Giga Berlin. Tesla CEO Elon Musk hopes that the first cars will roll off the assembly line from Giga Berlin this year. The Automobile Vogue writes in its latest edition, which I reported yesterday morning, that 5 Model Y electric vehicles have already been manufactured in Gigafactory Berlin. From the beginning of January, 1,000 vehicles per week should initially be produced, and production should be ramped up in the middle of the year. Tesla did not comment on these numbers to RBB. So 1,000 Tesla vehicles per week. That's a good number. In the first phase, up to 500,000 cars per year with around 12,000 employees are planned at Giga Berlin. A permit for the state of Brandenburg for the factory is still pending. It is considered possible that the decision will be made this year, imminently, as Automobile Vogue reports. However, the Brandenburg Ministry of the Environment does not give a date for the decision on the green light for the factory. The approval process continues, said a spokesman to RBB24, which is Brandenburg's public radio. RBB says comments from critics from a repeated online discussion are currently being examined. In addition, documents from the authorities and Tesla are pending. Conservationists and residents fear that the factory Giga Berlin will have negative consequences for the environment. For example, they think water consumption is too high at Giga Berlin. Tesla has denied that concern. Elon Musk also wants to build a large battery factory in Grünheide. This is very important for Tesla to free itself from battery cell constraints. And last week, the car maker surprisingly waived possible government funding in the billions for the planned battery production for the reasons I have already discussed in that report. Friends, let me know your thoughts on this, on Tesla's test vehicles. It's a good sign that Tesla is already set up to start the production at Giga Berlin and has already produced 5 Model Y electric Tesla vehicles at Giga Berlin. So what do you think? What will Tesla do with these vehicles? Let me know your thoughts. This is Armin Harayan from Torque News. Please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla news. We will report as soon as the final approval comes, and I'm going to keep my finger on the pulse of this development, and for, of course, daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. So God bless you, everyone. Have a wonderful day. May peace be with you and your families. Love your neighbor. Do good today, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Let's move on to our next Tesla story. There is a breaking news coming from Germany about Tesla Giga Berlin's final approval coming within days. Automobile Vogue reports that Tesla Giga Berlin's final permit may come in the coming days. That's a quote. Tesla will start mass producing of the Model Y at Giga Berlin in December, says the report, and that it has already made 5 Model Ys at Giga Berlin. The most important thing here is that Brandenburg's Office of the Environment could also grant Tesla's long-awaited full approval for Giga Berlin in a few days, as the report said. In the coming days, the report stated. Brandenburg's Office of the Environment finished online meetings about Giga Berlin's full approval last week. And I said that there was a demand to start another discussion, but looks like it's not going to happen. About 400 objections from environmental associations were discussed during the meeting. After the process, Brandenburg's economics minister Jörg Steinbach stated that he was confident and optimistic that Tesla Giga Berlin would produce its first Model Y, officially mass production by the end of 2021. I said officially because Model Y, Tesla has already built 5 Model Ys at Giga Berlin test. Tesla Giga Berlin was sent Model Y production will start based on Germany magazine's report. The factory already completed 5 Model Y units, but not on its production line. A few Model Y vehicles were spotted, if you remember, last week or so at Giga Berlin, with the vehicles making rounds around the facilities. Giga Berlin's test truck, a close look at one Model Y parked at the Giga factory's ground revealed that it was dual motor variant, suggesting that Tesla may be planning on starting its production with dual motor variant of the all-electric crossover from Tesla. So Tesla aims to produce as many as 30,000 vehicles at Giga Berlin by the first half of 2022, as noted in a Bloomberg report. I will have the link in the description of this video, friends. The company expects to start serial production at Gigafactory near Berlin with 1,000 cars per week and gradually increase from there. As of this report, the Model Y long range costs $57,970 before incentives in Germany, with an estimated delivery date of February 2022. Meanwhile, the Model Y performance price is 64,970 euros. I should have said euros about the first one. Before incentives, with an estimated delivery in early 2022, the top tier Model Y comes with a performance package that includes 21-inch Uber turbine wheels with an estimated range of 480 kilometers, performance brakes, a lowered chassis, and light metal pedals, reports Maria Merano from Tesla Radi. She says Tesla Germany's free default color remains to be white. The solid black, midnight silver metallic, and deep blue metallic paint options cost an additional 1,200 euros, which is $1,358 around, while the red multi-coat paint costs about 2,200 euros, $2,490. Do you care about your Tesla color? I don't much. Tesla Giga Berlin has an advanced paint shop that Elon Musk has talked about in the past. Once local production starts, Tesla Giga Berlin could offer new colors such as the highly anticipated and rumored deep crimson multi-coat, abyss blue multi-coat, and mercury silver metallic, which were recently seen at Gigafactory Shanghai, as per my previous report. Model Y on Tesla Germany's websites are from Giga Shanghai for now, at least based on the company's online configurator. Tesla will probably update the Tesla Germany's configurator once Giga Berlin begins its operation. So let me know, do you think all the Model Ys at Giga Berlin will be made by 4680 batteries or the current Tesla batteries, I think 2170 or something like that? This is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. Let me know your thought. Do you really think that Tesla will start mass production at Giga Berlin in December, friends? Let me know. This is a good news that Automobile Walk maybe have some inside information in the government. But like I said earlier, Tesla has to finish some paperwork that it has not finished yet, per my previous report based on RBB, Brandenburg's Public Radio. So maybe Tesla is expediting those paperworks, and final approval may indeed come within the coming days. That will be a very good news. Please subscribe to this channel because I will put my finger on the pulse of this development and bring you the latest from Giga Berlin. This is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. Share this report in social media. I would greatly appreciate it. Give it thumbs up if you like the report, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Peace be with all of you. God bless you, everyone. Love your neighbors, and let's move on to our next Tesla story.